back to the next video. So in today's video we will quickly go over through the theory of all the databases that are available in AWS. So first one is DynamoDB global tables. Make a Dynamo table accessible with low latency in multiple regions. Active replication. Read write to any AWS region. Redshift based on the PostgreSQL, but it is not OLTP. It's OLAP, online analytical processing, analytics and data warehousing. Load data once every hour, not every second. 10x time better performance than other data warehouses. Scales to petabytes of data. Columnar storage of data instead of row based. Massively parallel query execution. MPP highly available, pay as you go based on the instances provided. Has a SQL interface for performing the queries. BI tools such as AWS QuickSight or Tableau integrate with it. Amazon EMR stands for Elastic Map Reduce. EMR helps creating Hadoop cluster big data to analyze process vast amount of data. The clusters can be made of hundreds of easy to instances. Also supports Apache Spark, HBase, Presto, Flink. EMR takes care of all the provisioning and configuration, auto scaling and integrated with Spot instances. Use cases: data processing, machine learning, web indexing, big data. Amazon Athena serverless query service to perform analytics against S3 objects. Uses standard SQL language to query the file. Supports CSV, JSON, ORCS, EVRO and Parquet. Built on Presto. Pricing $5 per TB of data. Scan use compressed or columnar data for cost saving. Less can use cases: business intelligence, analytics, reporting and analyze and query. VPC flow logs, ELB logs, cloud trails, etc. Analyze data in S3 using serverless SQL. Use Athena. Amazon QuickSight serverless machine learning powered business intelligence serve to create interactive dashboard. Fast, automatically scalable, embedded with per session pricing. Use cases: business analytics, building visualization, perform ad hoc analysis, get business insights using data integrated with RDS. Aurora, Athena, Redshift, S3, DocumentDB. Aurora is an AWS implementation of PostgreSQL. MySQL. DocumentDB is the same for MongoDB, which is a NoSQL database. MongoDB is used to store, query and index JSON data. Similar deployment concepts as Aurora. Fully managed, highly available with replication across 3 ACs. DocumentDB storage automatically grows in increments of 10 GB up to 64 TB. Automatically scales to workloads with millions of requests per second. Amazon Neptune fully managed graph database. Popular graph dataset would be social network. User has friends, post have comments have likes from user shares and like post. Highly available across 3 AC with up to 15 read app replicas. Build and run application working with highly connected datasets. Optimized for this complex and hard queries. Can store up to millions of relations and queries. Only query the graph with milliseconds latency. Highly available with replication across multiple ACs. Great for knowledge graphs, Wikipedia, fraud detection, recommendation engine, social networking. Amazon QLDB. QLDB stands for Quantum Ledger Database. A ledger is a book regarding financial transaction. Fully managed, serverless, highly scalable, replication across 3 AZ. Used to review history of all the changes made to your application data over time. Immutable system, no entry can be removed or modified. Cryptographically verifiable. Immutable system, no entry can be removed or modified. Cryptographically verifiable, 2 to 3 times better performance than common ledger. Blockchain framework, manipulate data using SQL. Difference between Amazon machine blockchain, no decentralization component in accordance with financial regulation rules. Amazon managed blockchain makes it possible to build application where multiple parties can execute transaction without the need for a trusted central authority. Amazon managed blockchain is a managed service to join public blockchain networks or create your own scalable private network compatible with the framework. Hyperledger, Fabric and Ethereum. AWS Glue manage, extract, transform and load. ETL service useful to prepare and transform data for analytics. Fully serverless service. Glue data catalog of datasets and can be used by Athena, Redshift, and EMR DMS database migration service quickly and securely migrate database to AWS resilient and self-healing. The source database remains available during the migration. Supports homogeneous migration, example Oracle to Oracle, heterogeneous migration, example Microsoft SQL Server to Aurora.